This is field reporter Ron Burgundy here with my cameraman on site, Ricardo. Ricardo, turn the camera on. Alright, let's go. We are here on the island of Homielulu, here to investigate several reports of seismic activity coming out of Mount St. Homie. When asking Swift, the owner of the island, he refused to comply with our questions.
I will be making no comment at this time. I had nothing to do with this.
The volcano's just ahead. But before that, a word from our sponsor. Eddie Jackson's tax returns. You may not like how they're done, but he'll do them alright. Anyways. Here's the volcano now. It doesn't look too bad. This is Ron Burgundy reporting that Mount St. Homie is exploding actively. I also have a report that says I may or may not need a new pair of pants. We're actively running away from an exploding volcano. Come on, Ricardo.
Meanwhile...
Hey, Brett, have you, ever, checked the mail that comes here?
Bro, I told you just to burn all that crap. I don't know what you want me to do.
Well, you know, I was looking through it before I went to go burn it, and, we, definitely have 24 copyright infringements from Cartoon Network regarding stealing the name of their show, so...
Yeah, I've kind of been dodging their calls for a couple months. I thought it would just, you know, just sweep it under the rug.
If you look at these papers, yeah, they seem to be threatening to sue, and they seem pretty serious. There's a cease and desist for sure. We might need to discuss a new name for the show.
A new name. What was that?
Uh-oh.